So hi children, in the previous video up to 7 questions we discussed no. So here in this video we are going to discuss the problems from 8 onwards. Okay. So let us say that solve for x. So here 6x square plus 40 is equal to 31x. This is the given equation. Okay. First this equation should be right in the general form of the quadratic equation. So 6x square plus 31x become as minus 31x plus 40 which is equal to 0. Okay. By taking that common, no number is there to take that common. Okay. So that's why here the biggest numbers there no. Okay. So better to go for that quadratic formula. Okay. Use that quadratic formula. What is that? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. So substitute those values. So here a is equal to, from this one a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 31, c is equal to 40. So substitute those values here. Okay. So minus b is equal to minus of minus 31 plus or minus square root of minus 31 whole square minus 4 into a is equal to 6 and c is equal to 40 whole by 2a. So 2 into 6. Understand? So from this one, minus into minus is plus 31 plus or minus square root of, here minus square root is there means again that is positive only no. So 31 into 31. So how much you will get for? Okay, 1 into 31 is 31. 31 into 3 is equal to 93. Okay, 1 and here 3 and 3, 6, 961. Okay, so 961 minus here 6 4's 24. Okay, so 24 into 40. Understand? So here 24 into 4 is equal to how much? That is equals to 96. And here 0 is there no, so keep that 0. 24 into 4, 96 only no, 4 4s are 16 and 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 96. Okay, so that is 960. Am I clear? Minus 960 whole by 2 6 are 12. Okay. So which is equals to 31 plus or minus square root of 961 minus 960 which is equals to 1 whole by 12 which is equals to 31 plus or minus, here square root of 1 is nothing but again 1 whole by 12. Okay. So see here what are the roots. So the roots are 31 plus 1 by 12 or 31 minus 1 by 12. So 31 plus 1 is equal to 32 by 12 or 30 by 12. Okay, so after cancellation here by 4, 4 3's 12 and 4 8's 32. Clear? And this is by 6, 6 5's 30 and 6 2's 12. So the roots are 8 by 3 or 5 by 2. Okay, so in that ordered pair 8 by 3, 5 by 2. Okay, so what are the values ma? 8 by 3, 5 by 2. 8 by 3, 5 by 2. Okay, not only ordered pair, just I written in that pair form. Okay, so 8 by 3 and 5 by 2. 5 by 2 or 8 by 3 also we can keep that. Why? Because roots, any root we can take positive or negative here. Okay, so see that next question ma. Yes, 9th question say that. This is also just like the previous one only. So see that 15x square minus 7x minus 36 is equal to 0. So again find that x value here. Okay, quadratic roots again. So minus b means minus of minus 7 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4a c. Okay, whole by, here b square minus 4ac by 2a. So 2 into 15. Understand? Directly I substituted those values ma. So which is equals to minus into minus plus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 sevens 49, and here minus into minus plus, 15 fours 60, 60 into 36, okay, whole by 30, which is equals to 7 plus or minus square root of, here 60 into 36, so 36 into 60. 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18, which means which is equals to 216. So 2160. Understand? So 49 plus 2160 whole by 30. Okay, ma? So here 2160 plus 49. 9 and 0, 2. So 2209. 2209. So 7 plus or minus square root of 2209, 2209 by 30. Okay. Now we need to find that square root of 2209. So in that square roots concept we learned that how to find that square roots. Okay. So the nearest square root is the nearest square root of 22. Perfect square of 22, that is what is that? 16. Okay. So for 4 16. The leftover is 22 minus 16 is 6 and 0 9. The double of 4 is 8. Okay. And here the same number should be adjusted here. Okay. So which value should be adjusted? Just take that here 9 is there. 9 is there means two possibilities there. One is 3, another one is 7. Okay, so first I am going to check that 3. So 83 into 3, what we will get here? 3 3 is 9 and 3 8 is 24. So 249, it is not existing here, that is not sufficient. So we have to go for that is 7. So 87 into 7. Which number we are writing here? The same number should be right here, no? So 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56 plus 4 is equal to 60. So here also we are having that is 609. So 87 into 7. Okay, so what is the square root ma here? The square root is 47. So here 7 plus or minus x is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 47 whole square whole by 30, which is equals to 7 plus or minus square root and gets cancelled, square and root gets cancelled, that is equals to 47 whole by 30, which is equals to 7 plus 47 by 30 or 7 minus 47 by 30, which is equals to 47 and 7, which is equals to 54 by 30, or 7 minus 47, which is equals to minus 40 by 30. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled, and come to this one. Here 2 15s and 2 27s. Again cancellation by 3, 3 5s, 3 9s. So finally we are having here 9 by 5 or minus 4 by 3. 9 by 5 or minus 4 by 3. Which option ma? Minus 4 by 3. 9 by 5 minus 4 by 3. Okay. 9 by 5 minus 4 by 3. So which option is correct ma here? Yes, option B is correct. Understand children? So let us see the next question ma, 10th one. 10th question also same as that previous questions. All the questions same model only ma. Okay. But here they given that root values, but this is also easy. See here. So what they given that? They given to find for that the value of y. Solve for y. Okay. So root 7 y square minus 6y minus 13 root 7 is equal to 0. So to find the roots, so here we have to write x or y. Why we have to write y? Because here quadratic equation in terms of y. Okay. So that's why y is equal to minus b. Minus b means minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 into a is equal to here root 7, a into c minus 13 root 7, okay, whole by 2 into a, 2 into root 7, which is equals to minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus square root of 6 is 36, and here minus into minus is a plus, and here 13 4s 52 into root 7 is equal to 7 whole by 2 root 7. Understand? So from this one, 6 plus or minus square root of here 36 plus 52 into 7, 7 2s 14, 7 5s 35 plus 1, 36, okay, whole by 2 root 7. So from this one, 6 plus or minus square root of 364 plus 36, which is equals to 400 whole by 2 root 7. So square root of 400, what we will get, ma? So 6 plus or minus, that is the square root of 20 whole by 2 root 7. So from this one, 6 plus 20 by 2 root 7 or 6 minus 20 by 2 root 7. Understand? So from this one, 6 plus 20, that is 26 by 2 root 7 or 6 minus 20, which is equals to minus 14 by 2 root 7. Okay. So 2 cancels here, 13s, 2 13s 26, and here 2 7s 14. Okay. Still we are having here 13 by root 7 or minus 7 by root 7. This is the answer, but here in the options, this answers directly they didn't give. So directly 13 by root 7 is given, but here another one in terms of root 7. Okay, how it will be means, see that 13 by root 7 and the next one is minus 7 by root 7. So this one should be multiplied and divided by root 7. So here minus 7 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7, which is equals to minus 7 root 7 whole by root 7 into root 7 is equal to 7. So 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So the value is minus root 7. Understand? So the options are 13 by root 7, another one is minus root 7. So which option is correct, ma, here? Option C is correct. Am I clear to you? Yes. So let us say that next 11th question. Yes. 11th question, by saying this is two largest problem, but when you read this one, this is very, very easy. If you understand this one very well, then it is easy to find that answer. Okay. Once see that question, ma. Two candidates attempt to solve a quadratic equation, which means here story they given. Here two persons are there. Two persons also ready to do that, ready to solve that quadratic equation. Okay, one of the quadratic equation is there. So these two people are ready to simplify that. So the first person, what he did, okay, so the expression is, the equation is x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. That is a given quadratic equation. Okay, so those two people also ready to simplify this. The first person, what he did, he starts with a wrong value of p. He starts with a wrong value of p. Okay, and finds the roots to be 2 and 6. Roots to be 2 and 6. Here alpha is equal, given that roots is equal to, alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 6. 2 roots they given. Okay, and the second one, the second person did this one, x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Now the second person ready to simplify that, what he did, the other starts with a wrong value of q. So children, did you understand what they are saying? Actually here one of the quadratic equation is there, that is x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. So the two persons are ready to simplify this. The first person, what he did, he taken that p as a wrong value. Okay, p is incorrect value. Okay, so here p is wrong means q value is correct only, but p value is wrong. What he taken, that is wrong. But he got that the roots are 2 and 6. But he got the roots are 2 and 6. Understand? So this is the first person, what he did. And the second person, after completion of the first person's turn, the second person starts to simplify this. Now what he did, he taken that p value correct only. Q value is wrong. Okay, here p value is wrong, here q value is wrong. So children, here we have to think one thing, here p value is wrong means q value is correct. Here p value is correct, q value is wrong. Understand? So in this manner they did that. And by taking q value, he also got the two roots. What are those two roots here? So I am going to take this one as one of the root as a. So that is, those two roots are 2 and minus 9. B is equal to minus 9. He got those two roots. Understand? Now, so here roots are there. Understand? If the roots are given means we have the two formulas. Okay, two equations we can say. What is that? One is if the roots are given, then we can use that x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. In this manner also we can simplify this, or x minus alpha into x minus beta form also we can simplify that. Okay, why? Because positive value is there, no? So in this manner also we can find that equation. These two also we discussed already at the time of concept. So here I am going to take that second one. Okay, so this one I want to write it as x minus alpha, alpha is equal to 2, and here x minus beta is equal to 6. Okay, now simplify it. X into x is x square, minus 6 into x is 6x, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus into minus is plus 12. Okay, so which is equals to 0. Simplified. So x square minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, by comparing these two equations here, by comparing these two, here p is equal to minus 8 and q is equal to 12. Understand? And come to this one. Here what he did, he got that these two values, no? Again same process, use that. So x minus 2 into x minus of minus, so that is plus 9, which is equal to 0. Okay, x minus of alpha, no? So that is equals to minus of minus is equal to plus. Now here x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 18 is equal to 0. So x square plus 9x minus 2x, so plus 7x minus 18 is equal to 0. So by comparing these two equations, here p is equal to 7 and q is equal to minus 18. But as per that given question, what they are saying, from the first person he did that, he taken that p value as wrong value, q is correct. Okay, next second person he taken that p value is correct, q value is wrong. Okay, so after what they are saying, find the correct roots of the equation. Okay, now we are having that p correct value and q also correct value, we got it now. Okay, so substitute those two values here, we are getting the new equation, that is, actually the given equation is x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. And here p is equal to and q is equal to. So p is equal to which value is correct, ma? P is equal to 7, q is equal to 12. So p is equal to 7, q is equal to 12. So those two values substitute here. X square plus px means 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. So now find the roots of this equation. So splitting equation, x square plus, this one I want to write it as 4x plus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. 4 3 is 12 and here 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So x, from that first two terms, take that x as common. So the leftover x plus 4. From that next two terms, take that 3 as common. 3 into x plus 4, which is equal to 0. So from this one, x plus 4 take it as common, the leftover x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so from this one, x plus 4 is equal to 0, x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 4 become as minus 4. And here x is equal to plus 3 become as minus 3. Understand? So what are the roots ma here? Correct roots, correct equation, and these two are the correct roots. Okay. So minus 4, minus 3. So which options are correct? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 3, minus 4. Am I clear, children? So did you understand this? So in that first person, what he did, he taken that p value as wrong, q value as correct, and he did that q value as wrong, p value as correct. So by taking correct values, here we are having one of that equation. So from that new correct equation, we need to find that roots. Understand? So this is that question number 11. Am I clear to you? So children, in this video up to 11 questions we learned. In that next video we will learn that 12 onwards. Okay, thank you all.